We're going to be using the Legend of Seven to set the scene, going back in time and asking what will be the classic for this year, 2017. In 67 we had the Beatles and Sgt. Pepper, first ever concept album, the birth of prog rock. 77 the Sex Pistols, Never Mind Those Bollocks, the pop rock amateurs' finest hour, they went stellar. 1987 U2's Joshua Tree, the epic middle of the road rock. 97 Radiohead, OK Computer, a sophisticated alternative to Britpop. And 2007 Sweet Amy Winehouse went back to black, proving soul is timeless. Was it a producer driven? Was it her lifestyle? What will be the classics for 2017?